Congrats, Sharikh, for your success.
Thank you so much.
So, what's your education and where are you from?
So I've completed my masters in computer science. In 2015 I finished. After that I joined as a system admin.
Okay.
So before only I have a passion for development side. So
Okay.
I decided to go into development field. So few of my friends have suggested that BRN is the best place to learn for the development
Okay.
side. So
Okay, what were you doing all these years? I mean 2015 to till today?
I worked as a system admin.
Okay.
So
Okay. So how is the journey with BRN? 4 months of journey with BRN?
it was a great experience actually. I learned a lot here and the tutors were amazing.
Okay.
They are very helpful. And what I suggest is, what I find here is, this is the unique place I seen in Hyderabad.
Okay.
Here only you'll get an individual system. I didn't find anywhere other than BRN, like you'll get a system personally for an 8 hours.
Okay. Okay. Did you expected this success? Still you have 1 month course. Already you got an offer.
Yeah.
Did you expected this success?
No, I didn't expect. I thought that after completing my course, I have to struggle more for the jobs,
Okay.
but I find it very easy.
Okay. What is the major changes that you have been observed yourself first day of you and till today?
Yeah, I gained more experience in development side. I didn't realize that I will be going in future. I'll go in development side.
Okay.
What I thought is I'll learn here only an application side, but I learned complete programming here.
Okay.
From the beginning only. Even if you don't know about the programming, you can learn easily here.
Okay. Before joining BRN, definitely there must be a doubt whether you will get a job or not, whether you will get a success or not. How did you trust BRN?
I've seen lot of success stories, so based on that, I judge if they can do so, I have the capability to do so.
Okay.
I decided to join BRN.
Okay. So you have seen a lot of success stories. Now your success story is going to be on YouTube. How do you feel now?
Yeah, it's really amazing to see on a BRN page actually.
Okay. What is the major differences between normal training and BRN training?
That's what I told. Like here you'll have an individual system.
Okay.
For 8 hours.
Okay.
So I don't think you can get it anywhere other than BRN.
Okay. So what do you suggest to the people who are looking for good careers?
So it is a best place to learn if you want to learn something new and in a different way.
Okay.
Here you'll learn from a basic to the pro level actually.
Okay. How many people got selected in your company from BRN?
In my batch, there are 4 members got selected.
Okay, in your company.
Yeah, in my same company.
Okay. Anyways, thanks for feedback and all the best for the
Thank
future.
you so much, sir.